Hey everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how to complete a hunter task on GainWorkers and get paid. Let's talk about task hunters. This feature is all about web research and data bounties. Instead of doing simple clicks, you're paid for finding real, valuable information. How it works is simple. Employers set up a data requirement, like finding YouTube business emails, broken links, or local business leads. You earn a set amount for every single valid row you find and submit. The system automatically checks for duplicates and formatting on the spot, so once your entries are verified, payments hit your wallet right away. If you're quick at online research, this is one of the fastest ways to build up your earnings. Let's take this task, for example. To begin hunting, click Start. This opens up your submission form containing 10 rows. For each row, we need to gather and fill in 4 unique pieces of data: the YouTube channel name, channel URL, business email, and its content focus now. Let's head over to YouTube to find our first channel. I'll search for how to make money online, pick a suitable channel, and open its About page to find their public business contact email. Once I have the channel name, URL, email, and content niche, I'll head back to GainWorkers and fill out the first row. I've gone ahead and filled out all 10 rows with unique channel data following the exact same steps. Once every row is complete, scroll to the bottom and hit Submit. And there you go. You can scroll down on this page to review your submissions right away. Alternatively, you can head back to your dashboard, navigate to Task Hunters, and click on Hunter History to track all your completed bounties, check row statuses, and view your earnings. That's how easy it is to hunt data and earn on GainWorkers.